Now that we've set up our gradebook categories and added some assignments, I think we should actually go in and grade some of those assignments. So I'm going to going through the gradebook. So I'm in the course Phillips K. I'm going to go down to grades. From grades, I'm going to see that we have some weekly discussion. I'm going to go into the weekly discussion and I'm going to look at their post. Now in here, I can go then give it a grade, and the maximum grade was 100. I'm going to give that grade 100, and I'm going to say that that's all done. Now we could go to the next one. I could write a reply if I chose. I can have a reply just to the student, and I actually could change this to say I want it to be everyone is subscribed. So this would actually go to everybody. That is probably not what we want to do. So I am not going to put a reply in. I am going to go back to my gradebook. And I'm going to take a look at that research project. If we look into the research project, here's our grade that came in through our gradebook. If we look at research project 1, I'm going to click that. You can see research project 1, I have a actual student grade that came in. So I'm actually going to go grade this. So this particular student, you can see attached some notes. They said that they did not complete the presentation. And you can see that they've attached a test document, which I can then go take a look at. Nothing overall that I want. So for their grade, I pulled up this drop-down box. Again, this is out of a 100. Well, they only did half the assignment, so in this case, I'm actually only giving them a 50. And in this case, I can write them individualized feedback. I could actually email them back a file if I chose. I'm going to save. And then I'm going to go back to my gradebook. So I just graded both assignments. You can see how easy that was. If I go back to my gradebook, now you can see in my gradebook this assignment, there's only one, nothing was graded yet. So for this particular student, they have a 100 average that'll go into that participation. For projects, you can see that they have a 50 average. So overall at the moment, without any other things coming in, that brings them down to a 70. So the grades are reporting as appropriate. If we were to look at a student view of this, here's what they see. So let's go see what the student now sees. In Phillips K, I'm logged in as that student. I'm going to go to my grades, and here's what I see. I see that I got a 100 on that, and I see that I only got a 50 on this with some comments. So that is how the gradebook works, full cycle. Setting up your categories, adding some assignments, and then actually going in and grading the assignments.